Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is another 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, coming straight direct to you. How are you doing today? Now, can we talk about getting you back on track? Is it time for a new career, or do you just want to sharpen up those skills? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515 and we can book your free 30-minute LDL power call, or you know the address, ldlcall.com. Book your slot and let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. Your legs are not giving out, your head is giving up. Now come on, I get it, you're tired, you feel exhausted and just really drained. But how much of all that is actually just in your head? If you really want to take those extra few steps, you could. If you want to keep creating some magic, you could. Whatever it is that your body is telling you can't do, you probably could, if you really want to. Keep pushing forward.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.